Hello, and welcome to the Nrby platform demo. Nrby is the smarter way for mobile teams to communicate. In this video, we will cover how quick and easy it is to document fiber installs needed right from your mobile device to 1. Increase operational efficiencies and new operational revenue. 2. Simplify communication between mobile teams and contractors to maximize productivity. And 3. Create efficient mobile teams with real-time access to important information and historical records. Let's dive in. With Nrby's mobile app, your team has everything they need to document the fiber install needed. With just a few taps, the information is now documented with the location of the fiber install needed, pictures and videos, along with any notes that might be helpful. That information is then automatically routed to the appropriate personnel for further review and next steps. It's as easy as that. Never lose track of your information again with Nrby and empower your mobile teams to communicate smarter.